This is our Sunday double bike check. My Sunday fun day. I just got off my warranty thing. 20.75 top tube, 13.25 back. We have a profile acoustic, premium whiskey bars, 8.25. Love these, and that stem's never slipped. ODI long necks, always run these. They're really dirty right now. They last a long time. Odyssey directors, not bent, no dropouts. They have the hollow dropouts like the back. Same technology. Oh, there they are. Just a salt front wheel, pretty sucky. Fit Faf, just got this, teal wall. Tree chain wheel, I just painted it. Oh, dirty. Just took this out. Colony Colonials, just painted these too. Black. JCPCs, I love these. Metal pins, they're just as light as plastics, but same grip as metal. McNeil's seat with a stolen seat post because it used to be a weight weenie. There's my profile hub, Sun Big City rim, another Fit Faf. Total weight's around like 21 pounds. I really like it, and it looks really good.
Okay, now put the camera to the good bike.
What? Okay, this is my brother's Sunday Forecaster, 20.75. I just won this stem off a contest on Sunday. Sunday Freeze. I don't even know what kind of bars these are. ODI long necks, animal bar ends. Who really cares about bar ends? Odyssey directors too. He also has these. And that weird Stardust color he has. It's pretty sweet though. Stolen roulette front wheel. Fly Reuben. He painted his animal. It looks like the same color of the frame, so it looks really good. Odyssey Twan bolts. Odyssey Twisteds. Chrome thing, but it faded. My old seat. It's pretty sucky. The Primo seat post. 41 thermal Forecaster. His does not have the hollow dropouts in the back. He has a bicycle union hub with a premium refuse resist and a Weinman rim.
Wieneman.
Yep. Wieneman, whatever it is, and a KMC cool chain. There's the bikes. I think they look really good. I'm really happy with them. Subscribe.